Access to Ancestry Library Edition from home has now been extended until December 31st, 2021 for West Florida Public Libraries users. To access the database, go to mywfpl.com. Select the Resources tab and click on Research. Here is where patrons will normally find access to Ancestry Library Edition when they visit any of the 7 West Florida Public Libraries locations. To find the temporary at-home service as a result of the coronavirus pandemic, select Go Here to access Library Edition at home or outside the library. After you have entered your information, you will be directed to the home page. Billions of resources are available, such as census, vital, military, and immigration records. Click Begin Searching. A special feature of Ancestry Library Edition is that it includes an international component. For example, under Explore by Location, one can search for records from Italy. Click Europe, then find Italy. Millions of Italian records are found here. Beginning researchers may want to start with a simple pedigree chart. Click on Charts and Forms. A basic ancestral chart is available for download. It is best to start with oneself, followed by parents, grandparents, and great-grandparents. Here is an example of a fictional pedigree chart. Write what you know and use Ancestry.com to fill in the blanks. For broader search results, recommended for new inquiries, enter limited information when searching for an individual. For example, a first-time basic search for FDR could include first and middle name, last name, place where ancestor may have lived, and birth year. Additional information can be added to limit the number of search results. For example, we can add year and location of death and spousal information for FDR. You can also browse by category within the search results by turning on the Browse by Category feature. Let's take a look at the 1930 United States Federal Census for Franklin Roosevelt. We can view a transcribed version of the 1930 census record for FDR. This record was created while he was governor of New York. We can also click on a scanned image of the original record. The highlighted portion of this document provides census data for the Roosevelt family. The image can be downloaded or printed by clicking on the Tools button. Remember to have fun, and if you need any assistance with Ancestry Library Edition, please stop by the Genealogy branch located near the Pensacola State College campus main entrance.